Hey, my orchids. It is Brittany with Blue Orchid Clinic, and today's video is going to be about the best fuel for your student athlete's body so that they can sustain energy, achieve peak performance, and avoid burnout. So let's get to it. Student athletes are busy people. You know that better than anyone, being their parents. Between classes, homework, socializing, and extracurricular activities, and not to mention the drive time, it's easy for eating well to fall through the cracks. But good nutrition is even more important to athletes than it is to the average Joe. Getting the right kind of fuel is critical for sustaining energy, building muscle, and achieving peak performance. Here are some tips for ensuring your student athlete gets the nutrition he or she needs throughout the day so that they don't burn out from all the mental and physical stress. Breakfast. A lot of teens who have to get up at the crack of dawn get into the habit of skipping breakfast. But that's like beginning the race a few yards behind the starting line. For time-pressed kids, portable breakfasts can help start the day off right. Stock the kitchen with fruit, hard-boiled eggs, Greek yogurt, which has more protein than regular yogurt, and complete by Juice Plus nutrition bars so that they can grab something and go. Or pre-make these protein-boosted breakfast popsicles so you'll have them on hand for tight mornings. If you have a little bit more time, consider making whole grain or grainless protein pancakes by adding Complete by Juice Plus shake mix to your batter. You can also up the nutritional value of your oatmeal by sneaking in some Complete by Juice Plus shake mix by following this simple recipe. In addition to protein, this shake mix also provides fiber, vitamins, minerals, and whole food-based nutrition from fruits and vegetables. Pre-practice snacks. An ideal pre-practice snack will be substantial enough to provide energy, but light enough to digest easily. What your student athlete should eat depends on how much time he or she has before practice. If they have less than an hour, go super simple with fresh fruits or vegetables, an orange, a handful of blueberries, carrot sticks, or cherry tomatoes. An hour or more, choose something a little more hearty, like a yogurt and fruit parfait, or a Complete by Juice Plus nutrition bar or shake. Post-practice meals or snacks. After exercising, the body needs complex carbohydrates to replenish its energy stores and protein to help muscle recovery. Trail mix with dried fruits and nuts or a peanut butter and jelly sandwich on whole grain or grainless bread are good choices. You can also try one of these recovery smoothies. If it's dinner time, right after practice, then prepare a meal of lean protein, whole grains, and vegetables. A stir fry with chicken plus hefty servings of vegetables or brown rice would be perfect. Water. Staying hydrated is important for athletes of all ages because they lose water through increased sweating. Athletes should drink before and after practice. Taking a few swigs of their water bottle whenever there is a break will help keep athletes hydrated throughout the game. That goes double if they're exercising in the heat. It can be easy to forget when you're surrounded by water, but swimmers are sweating and need to hydrate too. Water is the best beverage for hydration. Try to discourage over-sweetened sports drinks marketed to teens if you can, aka Gatorade, vitamin water, those various powders or those liquid drop add-in things, etc. Water is the best source you can have, but the only flavored water that I would recommend if you really, really want it would be Body Armor. Another great option is ASEA. And that is personally what I use after a workout. Hydrating foods. Foods can also hydrate. When your student athlete gets home, try offering a complete smoothie, a cup of soup, or a snack that includes cucumber slices, watermelon cubes, or grapes. Please note, if your athlete has to have a low sugar diet, do not give them watermelon. All right, my orchids, I hope you enjoyed that, and thank you so much for watching. Just want to let you know that all the recipes that I mentioned the links for those are going to be in the description box below, as well as some other useful information for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and you can share this video on Instagram, #BlueOrchidHealth. And if you are interested in getting some more help with your health, then visit blueorchidclinic.org. See you next time.